Guys, welcome back. This is Ash. You back with Ash with another interesting video. So before I get started with this video, I want you guys to watch this video about CPA marketing, what's it all about and how it works. So today I'm gonna be talking about CPA marketing again, but this time more interesting. I'm gonna teach you guys how to use a free traffic method that I'm actually trying out so that you can get commission free. And not pay for traffic. Basically, CPA marketing is when someone does the action like fills in a name, email, address for a third party company, like you advertise a link, someone clicks on it, fills in a name, email, address, or survey. Um, Basically, you capture them as a lead for that company or whatever. So, the site that I use is CPA Lead. I will leave it down in the description. There's other sites, but CPA Lead is I think it's much better. There's better offers, and also I will. It's not. I haven't been doing CPA marketing for a long time now. I normally do affiliate marketing, but let's get straight into it. So basically, I'll leave this link in the description so you guys can sign up. So first, you go to your dashboard. I bet you guys already know how to do this. You look for any offer according to your niche, maybe health, any offer, maybe learning, health, um, make money online, anything. So today I'm going to be showing you an example of a health one. Let's look for it. So I'm going to show you. You can choose any niche. Movies, dinosaurs. Free fitness checkup. So today I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be promoting this offer here. So the disadvantage of the site is if you're in some parts of the country, you won't be able to see it. So what you can do is you can use a VPN, or if you got a VPS, you can use a virtual private server to see the offer. Because if I click here, as you can see, the offer is not available to your country. So yeah, you can't see the offer basically, or what's happening. Or another easy and quick way to see the offer, but you will still get commission even though you can't see. If you click on preview, it will show you what the offer looks like. So this is what it looks like. Awesome, right? So whenever someone fills in their number, and I'm not sure what else will read about you, and they say subscribe now, that means that you capture the lead, so you'll get a commission of 24 cents. So here's the rules here. Always read this here. Only share with people from these countries. Libium, Arab, I don't know how to read that word. Only target device Android. Converts, complete survey. Oh, it's a survey. Okay. So basically you copy this link. So in my previous video I showed you using influencer card, but now I'm going to show you a free traffic method. The traffic that I'm using is from Pinterest. Pinterest is very powerful. Why I say it's powerful, because everyone is using Facebook and Instagram. Not much people know about Pinterest, but there's about 500 million people on Pinterest, and you can get a good amount of traffic from Pinterest itself. For example, you can see I have 33 followers, but I got 3,000 monthly viewers. So basically I'm going to be leveraging off this account of mine. So my website is here. As you can see, this is my site. So when I click on any of the pins I created, it will take them to my website. I have a fitness bodybuilding website. So if I click on here, if someone clicks on there, it will load up my website. This is my website. As you can see, it loaded it up. It's awesome, right? So we're going to be doing exactly the same thing since it's fitness checkup. So you guys will have to You can YouTube how to use Pinterest. Pinterest is very easy. It's just a whole lot of images that you pun other people's images and things like that. So what we're going to be doing is creating our own. You can also create your own. So we create now pun. So all I do, I go on Google, I say I'll check up. Obviously, you have to find images to make it look nice, because Pinterest is all about images, which is going to get you the free traffic that you need. So I'm gonna use this image. These things are very easy, guys. It's not tough. Once you do it a lot, you'll get used to it and you start getting traffic. It's just I haven't been focusing much on my account. If I focus on my account, I'll really get like 100,000 traffic. Very easy. So there's the image. Your title is free health check. As you can see, I'm doing it live. You don't get much people doing it live. People will just talk about how to do this, how to do that. And I put a link here. So in the description, I'll say please go get yourself checked up for free. Obviously, because it's all about free health checkup. As you can see, free fitness checkup. So once I click create publish, I'll just show you guys how awesome it is. Pinterest is very quick. It's not like may lead to spam. Okay, sometimes you'll get this with a link. So for you to pass this, you can use something like AdFly. AdFly. So why I'm saying it will give you that, because sometimes Pinterest doesn't recognize the link and it will block you. So you can basically hide the link using this. Shrink. We'll get this here and paste this here, and as you can see, simple. So as you can see, if it gives you trouble with your link from CPA lead, you go to AdFly. I'll leave this in the description. You shrink it. So shrinking it will hide the link behind there, so that Pinterest won't be able to see what link you use, basically. But let's go see our link. So basically, when someone from clicks on a link, obviously we won't be able to see, but someone from another country, remember it's not only South Africa, you'll be able to see it. As you can see, it will take you to AdFly first, and now it will take you to the, it's just go and skip it. Remember, AdFly is not part of this thing here. I'm just showing you can hide your link with AdFly in case it gives you an issue. And you see the offer is not available in your country, but it's fine. We don't care actually. But yeah, so people from another country will click on here. The other countries like America, Liberia, the offer is available, so you will still get profit when someone fills in the offer. So you don't need to stress. So this is how you do it with Pinterest, and this is free traffic. You can register for free, and you can choose any niche. As you can see, my niche is all about fitness. If you go to my analytics, my overview, it will show you like how much traffic and engagement. Look at it, like there's a lot of traffic to be to convert to leads on Pinterest. It's very powerful. People undermine Pinterest, but Pinterest is actually a very powerful thing because it's just pictures. So you don't have to complicate anything. It's just you using pictures and you put a link behind it, picture, fancy picture. If you go look at my but open a business Pinterest account. So these are my pins. As you can see how nice they look. You can use canva.com to create your puns basically, and yeah, you can use the links behind them and start putting them here, and even your website, anything, not only affiliate links, anything you want. You need traffic, even your Facebook account, your Instagram, it can grow on Pinterest as well. So thanks guys, I hope you guys found it valuable. It's a good free method. You better try this because not a lot of people know that Pinterest has like 500 million users. People that are doing websites approved by AdSense are using Pinterest a lot. For example, as I showed you, my websites are linked to my puns, which I created, which is awesome. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like, or even dislike if you didn't like the video. It will really boost the algorithm, and people will see this free traffic method to get commission from CPA marketing. Thanks guys.